A beginner's guide to digital currency. In the ever-evolving landscape of finance, digital currency has emerged as a revolutionary force, reshaping the way we perceive and interact with money. As we stand on the brink of a digital revolution, understanding the fundamentals of digital currency is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the future of finance successfully. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, the world of digital currency is vast and complex, offering both opportunities and challenges for beginners. Digital currency, often referred to as cryptocurrency, is a form of decentralized currency that relies on cryptographic techniques to secure financial transactions. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, digital currencies operate on a technology called blockchain, a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. The decentralized nature of digital currencies eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks, providing users with greater control and privacy over their finances. What is digital currency? At its core, digital currency is a type of currency that exists in electronic form. Unlike physical currencies such as coins or banknotes, digital currencies are intangible and are stored electronically. The most well-known form of digital currency is cryptocurrency, a subset of digital currency that uses cryptography for security. How digital currencies work. Decoding the blockchain. Central to the functionality of digital currencies is blockchain technology. A blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is securely encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating a chain of blocks. This chain ensures transparency, security, and immutability, making it virtually impossible to alter past transactions. Blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network of computers, known as nodes, which work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralized nature eliminates the need for a central authority, such as a bank, to oversee transactions, making digital currencies resistant to censorship and fraud. Popular digital currencies. Exploring the cryptoverse. The world of digital currencies is vast, with thousands of cryptocurrencies in existence. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It laid the foundation for a wave of innovation, leading to the creation of alternative cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many more. Ethereum, for instance, introduced smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This innovation expanded the capabilities of blockchain technology beyond simple peer-to-peer transactions, enabling the creation of decentralized applications, DApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. Risks and benefits. Navigating the digital terrain. While digital currencies offer exciting possibilities, it's essential for beginners to be aware of the risks and benefits. The decentralized nature of digital currencies means that transactions are irreversible, and if you lose access to your wallet, your funds may be unrecoverable. The volatile nature of cryptocurrency prices also poses risks, as values can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. On the flip side, digital currencies offer benefits such as financial inclusivity, reduced transaction costs, and increased financial privacy. Cryptocurrencies provide individuals in underserved regions with access to financial services, allowing them to participate in the global economy. How to buy and use digital currency. A step-by-step guide. For beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of digital currency, the process of buying and using cryptocurrencies might seem daunting at first. However, it's a relatively straightforward process. To get started, one needs a digital wallet, which can be software-based, hardware-based, or even paper-based. After securing a wallet, users can acquire digital currency through cryptocurrency exchanges, where they can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. It's crucial to conduct thorough research on exchanges, considering factors such as security, fees, and user experience. Once you have acquired digital currency, you can use it for various purposes, from online purchases to investment in promising projects. Some merchants and businesses accept digital currencies as a form of payment, expanding the usability of these decentralized assets. Exploring advanced concepts. Beyond the basics, diving into advanced concepts can deepen your understanding of digital currencies. One such concept is consensus mechanisms, the protocols that govern how nodes on a blockchain agree on the state of the ledger. Proof of work, POW, used by Bitcoin, and proof of stake, POS, utilized by currencies like Cardano, are two popular consensus mechanisms. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, influencing factors such as security, energy efficiency, and scalability. Additionally, exploring the world of initial coin offerings, ICOs, and security token offerings, STOs, introduces the concept of fundraising through the issuance of digital tokens. ICOs gain popularity as a means for startups to raise capital, allowing investors to purchase tokens at a discounted rate before the project's launch. However, regulatory scrutiny and the risk of scams led to the development of STOs, which offer a more regulated and secure approach to token sales. The social impact of digital currency, empowering the unbanked. One of the most promising aspects of digital currency is its potential to empower the unbanked and underbanked populations around the world. Traditional banking systems can be inaccessible to many due to geographical barriers, lack of documentation, or financial exclusion. Digital currencies offer a decentralized alternative, enabling individuals without access to traditional banking to participate in the global economy. Projects like Stellar and Ripple are focused on facilitating cross-border payments and financial inclusion. By leveraging blockchain technology, these platforms aim to create more accessible and affordable financial services, reducing the reliance on traditional banking infrastructure. Education and community, building a digital currency ecosystem. The digital currency ecosystem thrives on education and community engagement. Various online platforms, forums, and social media channels serve as hubs for discussions, insights, and updates within the digital currency space. Engaging with the community not only provides valuable information, but also fosters connections with like-minded individuals and experts. Educational initiatives, such as online courses and workshops, offer structured learning opportunities for beginners. Understanding the technical aspects, investment strategies, and market trends equips individuals with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions in the dynamic world of digital currencies. In conclusion, the journey into the world of digital currency is a thrilling adventure filled with opportunities for financial empowerment and technological innovation. From the foundational principles of blockchain to advanced concepts like consensus mechanisms and security measures, the landscape is vast and multifaceted. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest developments in the world of finance and technology. Thank you for joining us on this exploration into the future of finance through the lens of digital currency.